Tyger Auto Tonneau covers, 3-year review. This was a cheap tonneau cover I got for my Ram truck, and it has lasted. Let's go check it out, show you exactly how it's held up over the last 3 years, just so you know how your couple $100 could be well spent. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we are doing a follow-up review on the Tyger Auto Tonneau cover for my Ram 1500. Now, this is one of these items I get messages or comments all the time on the original review and install of this product saying, how's it holding up? How's it looking? This thing is pretty inexpensive for what it was when I got it, and with just a little bit of cleaning and maintenance on it, it's actually held up pretty good. Unlike the logo though. The logo, this used to be all blue, or was it white? I don't remember, but the logo's basically trashed. But overall, this product still functions and works exactly like it did the day I got it. And I'm just gonna open it up so you guys can see it. I'm sure the bottom side's actually still pretty dirty. Yeah, you can see. So I haul a lot of fuel containers all the time for E85. You can see where the tops of those have made marks, and the cover itself. Yeah, you can also see how dirty it is when I fold it up. So the clips and everything, I mean, I've probably drove around 25% with it like this. The rest of it just stretched out on the truck itself, but the clips have held up. I ended up using zip ties here because these always wanted to self move to the center. Like you can see the zip tie stopped holding this one, and this one slid all the way over. Overall, it's held up pretty well. I will say some of the parts and pieces are starting to wear down. You can see these foam pieces here. There's a foam piece on this railing, is still in place. This is ripped off. I think it's this one. One of the sides, one of these foam pieces is gone. I think it ripped off when I was driving the truck with it folded up like this, yeah. So you can see the rubber piece on this side is basically gone. So the weather technically could get in, but you could see how it sits on the bed. It hasn't done that. Actually, my truck was washed the other day and they put the make it black again kind of stuff. And you can see like this has been pretty well protected. I mean, while it's dirty, it's still pretty black. So the difference in the sun corrosion over time hasn't been bad. But like I said, this piece I lost driving. I think the wind slowly started peeling it back, and then one day it was completely gone. The other thing is when it's folded up, this whole mechanical thing sits on the, I don't think this is leather, vinyl top, whatever. So it has vibrated over time. You can kind of see the marks it's left. I mean, that's a lasting thing on both sides that has happened. It's still pretty springy. If you remember when you first put it on, it didn't want to even like close down right. So it's still like that. The foam piece that installs the front piece is lasted. It's still very much there. And the bed stays pretty watertight. Like I said, it just got washed the other day. It's pretty dirty in the back of the truck. It has definitely lasted. But literally, this is just coming up on 3 years. And I'd say that looks pretty dang good. Like I said earlier, the marks here from the hinges themselves have been really the only thing that's gone downhill on it. So I've removed it off the truck probably 100 or so times over and over again, just storing it, putting it away, taking it off the truck when I needed to move big stuff or I needed full access of the entire bed. This has definitely been money well spent for the truck. You know, some people like the ones that are just solid and hard, but this thing allows flexibility. Like I said, I put my fuel containers back here just between the bed and the first metal bow. It's held up. It's done well. There you have it. If you guys are interested in the product, I'll put a link down to it below. I've had a lot of people reach out to me and just say thanks because they've purchased it over the years and they really like the product. I felt a good 3-year kind of quick update review and talking about some of the things that have worn down on it, which really isn't much for the money spent. Either or, that's it. Tyger Auto Tonneau cover. They're pretty good. That one's just about 3 years old. Well worth the price that I paid for it. Let me know if you guys have this cover. Let me know if you've seen the same issues with the wear and tear in the certain places, or if I didn't point anything out that maybe yours have done, also post it down in the comments, because I'm sure just because I don't have all the wear and tear issues on mine doesn't mean that you don't. Everyone has different use case scenarios on their vehicles, so would love to know. Sitting here today, almost 3 years of ownership with that tonneau cover for the cost, it's a pretty good investment. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, see you on the road.